Hi, Chidiweke here. Welcome to Random Unbox TV. Today I'm reviewing the iPhone XS Max, pronounced 10s Max. The iPhone XS Max was Apple's largest smartphone ever created in September 2018. When it was launched, the iPhone XS Max features all the design changes and material options that were first introduced with the iPhone X: glass and steel finish, an edge-to-edge OLED screen, Face ID, wireless charging, slim bezel, and a front notch. Some of the specs for this device were a 6.5-inch OLED display, Face ID, A12 Bionic chip, 4GB of RAM, internal storage up to 512GB, and the IP68 rating. So these are some of the core specs for the XS Max when it was first released in 2018. Before I get right into the full review, I'd like to please remind you to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed, turn on the notification and give us a like, and also check out our website at randomunboxtv.com. Let's get right into the full review. For the design, Apple redesigned the iPhone X in September 2018 and created the XS. However, there's nothing new to see on this device. The XS Max has a 6.5-inch screen with a body thickness of about 7.7 mm, making it an ultra-slim phone when compared to some phones. The iPhone XS Max is available in silver, space gray, and gold color options. The XS Max has a glass back covering, and if you drop this device on a hard surface, it's almost sure to crack. I would recommend you use a phone case. The front and the rear glass, which is stronger than the iPhone X, makes the iPhone XS Max look and feel superior. Apple raised the XS Max durability to IP68 for resistance to water and dust, which means they can endure submergence for up to 30 minutes in 2 liters of water. There's no headphone jack on the iPhone XS Max. Apple hid off the headphone jack on this device. You'll find the USB port alongside speaker, microphone holes on the base of the XS Max. The iPhone XS Max supports wireless charging. On the right side of the XS Max is a power/unlock key with the SIM card tray below this key, while the volume key sits below the mute switch on the left side of this device. With an eSIM incorporated inside the phone, the XS Max is dual SIM enabled. For the display, the iPhone XS Max has a 6.5-inch OLED display and comes with a super sharp 26x88 by 12 by 42 pixel resolution with 463 pixels per inch and a 19:5 aspect ratio. The X Max display also supports wide color gamut from Apple and displays 60% more dynamic range for photos taken with the device. The XS Max comes with a feature called True Tone that blends your environment with the display color and temperature to make content easier to read. The XS Max display features a scratch-resistant glass with an allophobic coating screen protection and also has support for double vision, HDR10, wide color gamut, and advanced color management techniques. For the camera, the iPhone XS Max has 3 cameras. A dual camera at the back. Both cameras are 12 megapixels with autofocus, a quad LED flash, and one front camera 7 megapixels for taking selfie. The XS Max is fitted with same camera on the iPhone X. The dual rear camera has 2 distinct features. One camera is telephoto and the other wide angle with the same focal length of 1.8 and focal length of 2.4 apertures. Some of the features of this camera: face detection, smile detection, geotagging, panorama, touch to focus, 1080p HD video recording, auto image stabilization, retina flash using display, and auto HDR. The iPhone XS Max can capture up to 60 frames per second for 4K videos. Apple also added a video encoder for maximum performance in real-time image processing and native support for HEVC encoding for the same quality of video with smaller file size. For the Face ID, the XS Max has Face ID. Face ID is a facial recognition tech that replaces the Touch ID fingerprint sensor used for authentication purposes in earlier devices. The Face ID uses a facial scan instead of a fingerprint to unlock the iPhone XS Max and grant access to third-party apps, authenticate Apple payments. The Face ID is part of the setup process, just like when you set up your fingerprints, part of the setup process when you get an iPhone X, much like the Touch ID. For the performance, the iPhone XS Max runs iOS version 12 operating system and a 2.4 GHz hexacore processor with an Apple GPU 4-core graphics. The Apple A12 chipset powers the XS Max with 4 GB of RAM. You find the first 7nm mass market chip on this phone. iPhone X Max is available in 4 models: the 8-1921, 8-2101, 8-2102, and 8-2104. The speakers on the iPhone XS Max is louder and clearer than any other iPhone, which comfortably matches the most popular Android handset in terms of sound from the speaker. Beside the USB port, you'll find one down-firing speaker and another pointing to you in the notch. Additional core results in better parallelism, making it possible to perform more tasks simultaneously without slowing down the user interface. The iPhone XS Max is IP68 water and dust resistant, and it has an excellent performance. The iPhone XS user interface is smooth and switching between apps is fast. For the battery life, the iPhone XS Max comes with a non-removable 3174 mAh battery with fast charging, going from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. The battery talk time is about 25 hours in 3G, while the music playtime is 65 hours. For connectivity, it has support for 3G, 4G, voice LTE. The iPhone XS Max features LTE for data transfer speed of up to 450 MB per second. It supports more than 20 Lte Bands that make working with networks elsewhere more likely. It also has support for Bluetooth version 5.0. The Bluetooth version 5.0 allows you to use Bluetooth headset to listen to music and calls wirelessly. It also has support for GPS, NFC. So, should you buy the iPhone XS Max? The iPhone XS Max might be the ideal phone in certain respects. It offers a larger 6.5-inch display and is the first iPhone for those who need 2 SIMs. 1 year on from the launch of the XS Max, it's still an expensive phone. You won't have any regrets with what you are getting in return if you are able to afford it. So what do you think about the device? Drop your questions and comments in the comment section below and I will get back to you. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button so anytime I upload a new video you get notified. And also don't forget to check out our website at randomunboxtv.com.